sure is dark in here. I hate how lonely I feel. I wish I could break free, but how?
Violence! Destruction! Glory! Welcome to the Gausser Spark 827! 826 sparks died before you! Will you die too? Grab your blade, Spark! I am Combat Master 9000! I will teach you to master the art of combat! 9000! A time will come when I must kill you. For now, swing your sword at this defend droid. Cut it down! In the crash loop, defend droids will do more than stand around. Block the attacks of this vicious robot. You have defeated opponents who cannot move. To be our next loop runner, you must defeat opponents who can move. Like me! I live, for I have another clone. I will now teach you the art of dashing forward. Hold the dash button. Dashing moves you forward when you swing your arms. The more you move your arms, the faster your body goes. Here is how to dash in combat. When they draw back their sword, dash in and attack. Every new brother has a special power. You have the ability to teleport! Hold the teleport button to aim at your destination. Behold! These glorious weapons require two hands to hold effectively. A time will come when I must kill you. That time is now, Spark! If you win this battle, you become Crash Loop's next Loop Runner! But I have killed 826 unworthy Sparks. In the name of the Captain, you will be next!
Captain in the welcome zone.
This is the Spark who is taking over for Root Chris. I preferred the one with 6 arms who screamed all the time.
Screamo died over 500 Gausers ago. You need to get over Screamo.
Is that me? Why do I look like a robot? I'm a human. I eat calzones and listen to satellite radio. On planet Earth! Something is very, very wrong.
There's my new loop runner. Come to me, Blink. You will fight for me. Evildoer! What's the meaning of this?
You're not going anywhere! Night mode!
MX2? It is my destiny to destroy the captain. Allow me to dispatch him.
So you become captain? Not after you double-crossed me!
I had you rerouted to my secure fortress, Blink. No one will find us.
The loop is alive! You knew it! Time out, Psych Lord! Overclocked stuff! I just want to interrogate him! Liar! You can't be captain, you're worse than he is! No!
I should take that glowing weapon the assassin dropped. I need to escape this robot danger zone. I need my freedom. This turbo fist contains the assassin's power. And now I have it.
Cyclone are now isolated for going rogue.
Our brave captain has never been defeated in over 400,000 runs. Not even sabotage can stop him.
Turn on me too, Phantoma?
Nothing personal. Just a hypothesis that destroying you outside the Hyperdome would... Kasha, was that you? Stop hiding, you little...
I'm not hiding. I'm revenging. Real Chris! No, Captain, wait! I promise I'll only attack you.
Did you see that, Link? None of them can stop me. You can't either. You will fight in my crash loop, in my Hyperdome, and lose to me forever. That is your purpose. You must obey.
Anarchy!
Flame War!
What's a loop runner? What's a crash loop? I don't know. If I want my freedom, I must defeat the captain in the Hyperdome.
Die!
Until I defeat the captain and earn my freedom, I will take a vow of silence.
Just try and give me another KO, Kata. I'll take your turbo fist and slice off that purple mop with a shuriken.
Root Chris would never let you see that to me.
Well, Root Chris isn't here to protect you now, is he? Or your night mode in shining armor.
Leave me alone, Overclock. You're not my captain. You never will be.
Oh, if she won't respect me in the loading room, I'm gonna make her respect me in the crash loop.
What is this place? What's a KO? Who is Root Chris? I have a lot to learn.
Welcome to Blast Down, coming to you from the planet Severan. Congratulations to our newest loop runner, Blink the Teleporter.
4 loop runners just went rogue. The degausser was a catastrophe. We will all be deleted.
Analysis bot, you need to get a hold of yourself.
Been a lot of runs since we've had fresh metal in here. Seriously though, how did you make it through the degausser? You just don't look built for combat. No offense. You're awfully quiet. What are you hiding, Spark?
Okay, let me make something perfectly clear, Spark. This is my loop. Those are my fans out there. I have an endorsement deal for my sword. Hands off. Do you understand me? Silence. Well, if you don't understand me, we are gonna have a problem.
You win the degausser, and now you think you can replace Root Chris? So what? You won't even dignify me with a response? You're such a glitch! There'll never be another Root Chris! Ever! Just leave me alone and get in your pod.
Loop Runners, enter your pod.
blades. Ratings, I double them. Shields up. Flip off. Whatever. That was a fluke. Security. You got a trash power, Blinky. Don't even think about my turbo fist. Sending you to the loading room. The universe is watching you flail. All right.
Can't keep up! I got all the time in the world!
The crash loop claims another victim.
It is a victim generation machine.
The teleporter will head back to the loading room.
They will need to run another loop. And another. And another.
Blink won the lightning round, a victory on their debut run.
I had a great debut.
Hey, Sparky. You're new here, so I'm gonna explain something to you. In the crash loop, you will enter a series of duels. Alright? All us loop runners, we have to avoid being eliminated in the first duel. It's called a KO. Make us look bad. Look, a good loop runner got deleted for getting too many KOs recently. You give my protege MX to another KO, and you'll find out what my time fist is capable of. Anyway, just a pro tip for you.
So in Crash Loop, whoever I duel in the first round is important in the loading room. I should think about who I want to KO.
Another lightning run is coming up.
Stay on your toes, loop runners.
We will learn more about the future of the four rogues. And Blink, the spark who does not speak, after the next run.